Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are going to discuss alternative English question paper of 2024 और इस वीडियो पर मैं सारे के सारे क्वेश्चन का आंसर देने वाला हूँ और साथ ही हैंड रिटन नोट्स भी डिस्क्रिप्शन पर दे दूँगा। तो देखो, जो हमारा न्यू कोर्स है वो 4 पार्ट्स में डिवाइड है, ग्रुप ए, ग्रुप बी, ग्रुप सी और ग्रुप डी। जिसमें ग्रुप ए में 40 मार्क्स का क्वेश्चन है जो स्टोरी या प्रोज से आया हुआ क्वेश्चन है। ग्रुप बी में 30 मार्क का क्वेश्चन है जो पोएट्री या पोएम से आया हुआ क्वेश्चन है। ग्रुप सी में ग्रामर पार्ट है जो कि 10 मार्क का है, जिसमें आपको टेक क्वेश्चन, एरर करेक्शन देखने को मिलेगा। और ग्रुप डी में आपका राइटिंग एंड। तो चलो ग्रुप ए से स्टार्ट करते हैं, जो कि हमारा न्यू कोर्स है। इसमें क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 में हमें एनी 5 दिया है, लेकिन हम सारे के सारे आंसर करेंगे। और हाँ, आप क्वेश्चन देख लो, क्योंकि मैंने तो खुद से हैंड रिटन नोट्स बनाया हुआ है आपके लिए, वो मैं आपको दिखाने वाला हूँ, जहाँ से आप लिख सकते हो। वहीं से आप पीडीएफ भी डाउनलोड कर सकते हो। क्वेश्चन का पीडीएफ आप अभी डाउनलोड कर सकते हो, लेकिन जो आंसर का पीडीएफ है वो आपको ये सारे आंसर करने के बाद ही। ये वो आंसर का पीडीएफ है जो मैंने आप लोगों के लिए बनाया है। इधर वो सारे क्वेश्चन हैं और उनके आंसर भी। तो ठीक है, ग्रुप ए से हमारा पहला क्वेश्चन है, हु इज़ मिस स्मिथ। तो इसका आंसर क्या है? मिस स्मिथ इज़ ए पोर गर्ल होम रोजमेरी मेट आउटसाइड एन एंटिक शॉप। ठीक है। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर बी, विथ हुइज डांस ऑफ कामरूप वॉज यकुमा नटुम कॉम्पेट। तो इसका आंसर क्या है? देवधनी नृत्य ऑफ कामरूप। क्वेश्चन नंबर सी, वेयर डिड हाजोरिका बाय हिज रोलीफ्लेक्स कैमरा। ये भी नहीं पता। ठीक है, मैं ही बता देता हूँ, फ्रॉम पोर्ट ऑफ ईडन से। ठीक है, जो रोलीफ्लेक्स कैमरा था वो पोर्ट ऑफ ईडन से हाजोरिका ने ख़रीदा था। अब ये तो पता ही होगा ना। व्हाट इज़ वेस्ट्री? ए रूम इन ए चर्च फॉर कीपिंग द गारमेंट वर्न बाय द क्लर्जी। ठीक है। क्वेश्चन नंबर ई, व्हाट वाज द ओनली थिंग फॉरमैन कुड राइट। फॉरमैन कुड ओनली राइट हिज नेम, उसको बस अपना नाम लिखना। क्वेश्चन नंबर एफ, हुज आर्म सर्च फॉर द परफेक्ट डक एग, द रेसलर्स आर्म। क्वेश्चन नंबर जी, नेम द रेस्टोरेंट रामा वॉक इन आफ्टर हिज बिजनेस वॉज ओवर। कोहिनूर रेस्टोरेंट, कोई लड़की का नाम नहीं है, हाँ, रेस्टोरेंट का नाम है। हु ट्रांसलेटेड द एसमी स्टोरी बिना कुटीर इनटू इंग्लिश। किसने किया? भाविश चौधरी। ठीक है। फॉर हुइच एग्जाम वॉज द यंग मैन इन बिना कुटीर प्रिपेयरिंग। फॉर BA। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 तो हो गया। अब देखो क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 में भी हमको एनी 5 दिया है, लेकिन हम करेंगे सबके सब क्वेश्चन। ठीक है, तो ठीक है, चलो फिर से हमारे आंसर PDF। तो क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 से शुरू करते हैं। हाउ डज फ्लिप रिएक्ट टुवर्ड्स मिस स्मिथ। Flip wanted to send Miss Smith out of his home because she belongs to a poor class. When Flip looked at the hat and coat lying on the floor, he immediately understood that situation, that Miss Smith must belong to a poor caste, and thus he wanted to send her out of his home. Next, question number B. Write a short note on the significance of the title A Cup of Tea. Answer. The title A Cup of Tea in Catherine Mansfield's story shows that shallow kindness of the main character Rosemary Fellis when she brings the poor Miss Smith home for tea. It seems like a nice gesture, but it really highlights Rosemary's selfishness. The story uses the simple act to explore big ideas, that the gap between rich and poor, and difference between true generosity and just pretending to be. Question number C. Name 2 places associated with Buddhism as mentioned by Dr. Hazarika. Sarnath and Bodh Gaya. Question number D. What is the lamentable ignorance discovered by the new vicar? The lamentable ignorance discovered the new vicar is that Albert Edward Foreman, the church verger, is illiterate. Despite his many years of dedicated service, the vicar is shocked to find out that Foreman cannot read or write. This discovery leads to the vicar insisting that Foreman must learn to read and write or lose his position, resulting in Foreman leaving his job and success in his business. Question number E. Make a list of regular customers visiting Rama's stall. Answer. Rama's customers include boot police boys, jutka diver, beggars, grass selling women, and the wrestlers, and the crowd coming out after the evening show. Question number F. Why did Rama say, "Gently, brother, I was once a hotel owner myself"? Answer. Rama gently said, "Brother, I was once a hotel owner myself," to a fellow vendor to explain his current situation. This statement reflects Rama's fall from a more stable and prestigious position as a hotel owner to a struggling street vendor. It highlights the theme of resilience and the harsh realities of life where circumstances can change drastically and one must adapt to survive. Question number G. Who inquired about the monthly shipment of a product? What was the product? A couple inquired about the monthly shipment of a product and the product was glass. Question number H. Present your impression of the neighborhood where Binakutir is located. Answer. In Assam, traditionally people live in Assam type house, but with the advent of modernism, buildings have been constructed everywhere. Binakutir was also an Assam type house in the midst of the large concrete building around the house. There was a very little space for the house itself to claim its own. चलो क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 देखते हैं। क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 में एनी 2 दिया है, लेकिन हम चारों के चारों क्वेश्चन करेंगे। क्वेश्चन नंबर 3A. Who according to you is the martyr in the martyr corner? Give reason. Answer. In the martyr corner, martyr is Rama, the street vendor. Despite facing hardship and poverty, Rama maintained his dignity and resilience while facing the challenges of life. His perseverance in continuing to sell snacks at the corner, despite his struggle, reflect his quiet sacrifice and endurance, embodying the spirit of resilience and perseverance amidst adversity. Question B. What was the new vicar's talent? The new vicar's talent is his keen observation and attention to detail. He discovers that Albert Edward Foreman, the church verger, is illiterate, a fact that had gone unnoticed by the previous vicars. This talent for observation leads to significant changes in Foreman's life and career path. Question number C. How does Hazarika recount his feelings about being an Indian as he moved forward in his journey? Answer. As Hazarika began his journey, he likely to embrace himself in a large way. Just beyond his regional identity, he sees the diversity of India apart from being an Assamese. He evolves himself or showcase in a national perspective. क्वेश्चन नंबर 4. एनी 2 दिया है, लेकिन हम सारे के सारे आंसर करेंगे। क्वेश्चन नंबर 4A. Comment on the significance of the title the story Binakutir. Answer. The name Binakutir is given by the author. The word kutir implies that the house is small in size and therefore seen as cottage. The protagonist of the story sets out in search of a rented house, but he discovers himself in an extraordinary situation in which he becomes aware of the existence of several curious characters with diverse mentality. The owner of the house, named Binakutir, was a teacher. The two sons were a professor and another doctor, and one younger daughter who got married. Out in his mission for a rented house, the protagonist takes Coca-Cola at a shop and comes to know from the shop the history of family of its owner. Question B. Describe in detail how Rama's business was finished. Answer. Rama was a hardworking food vendor who made rupees 300 a month. He lived with his wife. His wife took care of the money that he made every day by selling food. Every day Rama got up at the dawn time to produce the food that he sold in the evening. Rama was a sensible businessman who charged his customer very politely for the food that he sold. He knew his customer very well. He was also friendly towards the boot police boy and homeless boys. Rama was not educated. He had no sense of hygiene. He sold his food near an open gutter and did not even cover the food that he sold. When Rama lost the space near cinema hall where he normally sold his food, he moved to a place deeper into a lane where his customer could not see him. Thus he lost his business and had to close it down. He did not try another location from where he could sell his food. He also seemed to be a little lazy. We can say this because he did not take an alternative job until he had spent all his. Question C. Give a brief account of Bhupen Hazarika's experience of visiting a Sri Lankan family home. Answer. Hazarika once visited a Sri Lankan family which was totally influenced by European culture, remembering his days in Shillong. Despite being far away from Assam, he felt a sense of familiarity and emphasized the universal of. Question number D. Describe the character development of Rosemary Fail through the story A Cup of Tea. Answer. Rosemary Fail is a rich and confident woman. When she met Miss Smith, who is very poor, Rosemary invites her home for tea because she felt sorry for her and also wanted to impress her husband and friends. But as they spend time together, Rosemary began to feel uneasy. She realizes how different their life and start questioning why she really invite Miss Smith in. This makes her think about herself and what it means to be kind and generous. Her feelings are mixed because she is not sure if her kindness was genuine or just for show. Overall, Rosemary's journey in the story shows how meet someone less fortunate can make you think deeply about yourself and what it means to be a compassionate. Question number E. Does the verger regret his inability to read and write? Is it impacting his life in any way? Answer. The verger initially does not regret his inability to read or write. He leads a content life as the verger of St. Peter, a position he has held for many years. His illiteracy has not posed a significant problem in his daily routine or in performing his duties at the church. When the new vicar questioned him about the illiteracy, and implies that it might be a hindrance to be his job. Albert realized that his lack of education could limit his future opportunities. This prompted him to take action, leading him to open a tobacco shop, which eventually became highly successful. His decision to start a business demonstrates his determination to overcome this limitation and achieve success independently. Question number 5. एनी वन दिया है लेकिन हम दोनों करेंगे. क्वेश्चन नंबर 5 है. And suddenly it seemed to Rosemary such an adventure. It was like something out of a novel by Dostoevsky, this meeting in the dust. Answer. In a cup of tea by Catherine Mansfield, the line, and suddenly it seemed to Rosemary such an adventure. It was like something out of a novel by Dostoevsky. This meeting reflects Rosemary's reaction to her encounter with Miss Smith, a poor young girl she invites home after seeing her on the street. Rosemary, a wealthy and privileged woman, is accustomed to a life of comfort and routine. Her decision to invite Miss Smith, a stranger of low social status, into her home for tea is impulsive and initially driven by a mix of compassion and a desire to impress her husband and friend. Question number B. He always said that there was a great deal too much education in the world for his taste. Answer. This line, he always said there was a great deal too much education in the world for its taste, is from the story The Verger by Somerset Maugham. It refers to Albert Edward Forman, the verger of St. Peter Church, who is known for his simple and straightforward outlook on life. In the story, Albert is portrayed as the content and capable verger despite being illiterate. He has successfully managed his duty at the church for many years without the need for formal education. This statement reflects Albert's belief that access education may not always be necessary or beneficial. His own experience suggests that practical skill and dedication to work are more important than formal education. Question number 6a. The meaning of dashed is unable to think or react properly. The meaning of fanciful is unrealistic in imagination. Deportment means the manner in which one carries oneself, behavior. Gratis means free. Question number 6b. The antonym of glib is sincere. The antonym of odious is delightful. Question number 6c. The synonym of dilapidate is rundown. The antonym of mesmerizing is captivating.